Hi everyone, I'm Meng Yu, a journalist from Xinhua News Agency. Now let me ask you two questions. First one, have you ever been into a China small village? And if the answer is yes, have you ever imagined if a farmer became an artist? Now follow me and let's see how it looks.
Gojia Village in Ninhai County of Ningbo, East China's Zhejiang Province, has taken on a completely new look after an art design campaign initiated by Cong Zhiqiang, an associate art professor at Renmin University of China in Beijing.
Well, walking along the road, you can see the house made of stone. It's kind of like local architecture style. And walking around, you can see the environment is very good. There's no rubbish. And yeah, come to this corner, you can see flowers. I think it's special. It's very beautiful, huh? And also there's artsy elements everywhere.
Local villagers were encouraged to renovate their surroundings using art. Almost all decor in the village was made by the residents themselves. Now, the village has emerged as a popular rural tourism destination. This amplifies the efforts made by local authorities in rural revitalization.
See, the villagers are creating a road using the materials from the reals in the village. And they're using their hands to change the plain stone into an artwork. There are 4 pictures here. Those pictures were painted by children in Guizhou Province, which is a western province in China. And those are inspired by the villages here. So walking around in this village, you can pick up art pieces like this and with the story behind it. And also you can see that this has been promoted other than this village. Do you like them?